The sun rises over a bustling cartoon city, bathing everything in a gentle golden glow. Above, the sky stretches wide and blue, dotted with a few fluffy clouds drifting lazily. On the broad main road, a parade of cheerful cars rolls along, each one bursting with personality. The little red car, shiny and bright, leads the way, followed by a gleaming blue sedan and a sunny yellow coupe. Their eyes sparkle with excitement as they journey together, their headlights twinkling like friendly winks. A gentle, upbeat melody fills the air, accompanied by the light purr of engines and playful beeps of car horns. The cars sing their own version of happiness, weaving around each other in a dance of color and motion. Suddenly, the ground trembles beneath their wheels. The joyful music falters as a deep, rumbling sound grows louder. The road shakes, sending ripples through the colorful convoy. Dust billows and swirls as, with a mighty boom, a giant hole bursts open in the very center of the street. The cars screech to a halt, their tires squealing in surprise. Smoke rises from the fresh crater, and a gusty wind whistles through the sudden silence. The red car's eyes widen in alarm as it peers into the mysterious, gaping hole. "Oh no, a giant hole!" the cars exclaim, their voices echoing with worry. Around them, cartoon birds flutter away and nearby trees shiver in the breeze, stirred up by the unexpected event. The blue car blinks rapidly, the yellow coupe trembles, and all three cars exchange anxious glances. But amid the confusion, the little red car takes a deep breath and decides to act. It carefully pulls over to the side of the road, its wheels crunching softly on the gravel. With determination, it pops open its door and retrieves a bright toy phone from its seat. The red car presses the call button, and the phone rings out with a cheerful ring ring. The background music speeds up, adding an urgent excitement to the scene. On the horizon, a small icon flashes. The rescue team is on the way. Within moments, the rescue garage door slides open with a satisfying whoosh. Out zooms a yellow tow truck, its siren blaring a lively wee-woo, wee-woo, lights flashing in patterns of red and blue. Right behind it rumbles an orange excavator, its sturdy arms ready for action. The rescue team wastes no time, speeding down the road toward the dangerous hole. The red car waves its phone in greeting, shouting, "Rescue team, hurry!" as the trucks draw closer. Arriving at the scene, the tow truck and excavator spring into action. The excavator's metal arm stretches out with a proud clank, clank. It scoops heaps of dirt from the roadside, its bucket swinging in wide arcs, and pours the earth into the gaping hole with a steady shh. The yellow cement mixer joins in, rolling forward and spinning its barrel with a rhythmic whir. Thick, fresh asphalt pours out, filling in the gaps and smoothing over the rough edges. Next, the road roller, painted in bright blue, trundles forward. Its heavy drum presses the new road flat, rumbling with a deep The roller moves back and forth, making sure every inch of road is smooth and strong. Dust settles and fades away as the rescue team works together, each machine playing its part in the repair. The cars watch in awe, their fears melting into admiration for their hard-working friends. "Almost done," calls out the little red car, its voice full of hope. The rescue team gives a thumbs up, proud of their quick teamwork. The city's cheerful tune starts up again, now brighter and more victorious than ever. The sun beams down, warming the freshly repaired road and making it gleam with promise. With the final press of the road roller, the hole vanishes completely, and the road is as good as new. The dust clears, the smoke disappears, and a gentle breeze carries away any last worries. The cartoon cars line up at the edge of the newly fixed road, their faces beaming with anticipation. One by one, the colorful cars bounce happily across the smooth surface. Their headlights flash merrily, and their engines purr with delight. The blue car lets out a joyful beep beep, echoed by the yellow coupe. Laughter bubbles up, mixing with the cheerful music as the cars celebrate their safe journey. The rescue truck and the little red car wave goodbye to each other, their friendship stronger than ever. Under the sunny sky, the cars continue their adventure, knowing the road is safe once again. Flowers bloom along the roadside, swaying in the gentle breeze. Birds return, chirping happily from the treetops. The city sparkles with happiness and gratitude. The road is safe again! Yay! All the cars cheer, their voices ringing out loud and clear. The little red car grins and does a happy spin, joined by the rescue truck and the rest of the team. Together, they have overcome the day's challenge and made the city a better place for everyone. As the cars disappear down the road, their laughter and music echo in the air, reminding everyone that teamwork, bravery, and quick thinking can turn any problem into a chance for joy. The city settles into a peaceful afternoon, safe, bright, and full of possibilities, all thanks to its wonderful, caring cartoon cars.